Yeah.
Every meal here is like going to a 5-star restaurant. Off on another adventure. Okay, so we're gonna try some local food here. Eddie says it's good.
The one.
It's pretty good. That inside piece is really sweet. It's like a little candy. I guess they cook it down out of the palm tree or something. Let's try it out. Ooh. That is good. That is super sweet though.
Yeah, we made for the.
It's almost like caramelly.
The coffee.
Pure sugar. That could be super addictive. Wow. Okay, so the last one I guess didn't have the palm juice that we were looking for, so apparently this one does. Comes from the tree. That's a lot.
It smells good, man. Like.
Okay. Try it out. Cheers. Oh, that's good. Kind of smoky.
Yeah, because they do the.
There's so much good sweet stuff around here.
It's fresh.
Okay, we're heading down to, it's supposed to be the waterfall with the most volume of any in Asia. What's it called, Eddie?
Khon Phapheng.
Khon Phapheng.
I need to see that.
A lot of water. This water is nuts. So the fish trying to make it upriver will jump into them as they're trying to come up the waterfall. Make it upriver. Boathouse Restaurant, Mekong River. It's one brave little chicken. Doesn't seem like that many until they all come around to eat. Alright, so Eddie just climbed up a palm tree to get a coconut. Just gonna cut it open. Get ourselves a little drink. Alright. And I've had some of this stuff from the store. Now's the moment to see whether you stack up. Oh, that's good. Once you're done with the water, you can get down to the good stuff. Bringing in some moonshine. Everywhere you go, you gotta try the local moonshine. Oh, that's good. It's kind of sweet.
Show you.
Don't see many of those in Laos.